It moves with the pulse of machines and the breath of ancient trees.
It moves with the pulse of machines and the breath of ancient trees. Imagine transforming challenging agricultural tasks into efficient operations.
That's where heavy machinery comes in. That's where heavy machinery comes in. That's where heavy machinery comes in.
These machines are specifically engineered to tackle extreme challenges in farming and harvesting.
Heavy machinery features a robust design.
This ensures precision and safety when felling even the largest trees. Think of massive chainsaws and industrial-grade cutters. They revolutionize tree cutting, making arduous tasks straightforward.
Using this machinery is no small feat.
It requires skill and caution.
Operators must manage immense power with great responsibility.
Innovation in this field is constant, enhancing safety and speed in tree cutting processes.
Using this machinery is no small feat. It requires skill and caution.
First, we have the tree stump drill.
Let's explore some key types of heavy machinery. It allows farmers to remove stubborn stumps quickly.
First, we have the tree stump drill.